Good morning. Right, it is the beginning of the week for me. It's Tuesday, so now that Tracy doesn't work on a Monday becomes like our Sunday, and Sunday's like our Saturday. It's a bit weird, but anyway, off to the post office. Got to post another sink and some more Dinky Sink and Things. I'll talk to you about that in a minute, and I'll show you what we've been up to. The business is growing nicely, having a good time with it. I pulled my back out, couldn't move last night, literally almost couldn't get in the van. I almost had to sleep in the car park on the floor. I couldn't get in the van. But it's on the edge today, so I'm going to take some naproxen and try and exercise a little bit, try and loosen it up. I don't know what causes it. I'm all right 1 minute and then it just goes, and I literally fall down on the floor sometimes, so not good. But anyway, lots going on with the van. We've done some alterations. I've still got the repair to finish from the accident last week, and I'll talk to you about that as well. First, off to get some petrol. We know what that's like. It's painful, right? And to the post office. Right, it has been a few days actually. Very, very, very busy. The back is a little bit better. It's just every now and again, if I move wrong, it's like, oh, but the tablets are helping. So what we did in the van, and if you've got one of these, or you're going to buy one of these vans, right? This is a 1989, if you don't know, Fiat Ducato, petrol engine, whatever, motorhome, right? In this particular van, these are quite rare. This is a rear bathroom. So what you got is bathroom at the rear, right? Wardrobe there, you got a shower around there, right, and all that stuff. And what they did is they put the water tank there. And it's a 100-litre water tank in this van, so that's when that's full, that's 100 kilos. And you've also got the waste tank under there, which is 50 litres, so that's 150 kilos right there. And then obviously you've got the toilet that side as well, which has a little bit of weight to it. And originally you would have had a cooker, sink, oven all here, and there was like a vanity unit here. So we haven't really changed that really. We've still got the sink over here, even though it is bigger, and a fridge which is bigger, and I've put my cooker over here. And microwave. So the problem we were having was, obviously we live in the van, so we have to take water with us, right, wherever we go. So I would fill up the water tank, 100 litres, it's 100 kilos over there, right over that back axle, and we had a bit of a lean all the time, most of the time. Often you have to carry your waste around with you as well, because you have to find appropriate places to dump that. You can't just let it run out all over the place. So that's another 50 kilos. So that weight was all on that back axle, on that back corner. So we had this bit of a lean. And when I bought the van, there was an LPG tank under there because it was dual fuel. But we took that out. It didn't work anyway. We got rid of that. So that left a big empty space underneath that sofa. And most vans I've seen have the water tank under the sofa there. So, with the help of Danny Boy, of course, good old Danny Boy, we took the tank out of there and we've moved it and put it over there. Now what's happened is two things. One, the van doesn't lean anymore because we've taken 100 kilos out of that corner and we put 100 kilos over there, which is now putting it more to the front of the van, and it helps balance the van out. Now the van is dead straight, which is awesome. I did have a guy come up to me and say, your suspension shot, mate, you're leaning too much. And I panicked, but it's fine. Right, so there is a problem though. There is the tank now in that position, but it is a little bit too tall. It fits in there nicely, but a tiny bit too tall. So I'm going to have to raise the level of the couch. But that's not a problem. It's only 5 centimetres. You won't even notice once I've done it. Just another thing on the list to do. At the moment, I'm sitting on the water tank when I sit there. It's okay at the moment because it's warm, but I can imagine in the winter that'll get really cold and I'll get cold bum. And obviously the other thing, when I'm driving now, it's less bouncy because you haven't got all that weight on that back axle. It's more central to the van. It holds the road better, it corners better, it doesn't bounce when you go over bumps as much. It's just, and it even feels like the van's got a bit more oomph about it. Usually I'd cruise around 50, 55 miles an hour. Now I can cruise at 60 miles an hour. Don't ask me why. It's science, isn't it? So it is my recommendation, if you've got one of these vans, or you've got a van that's got the water tank in a similar position, see if you can move it to that position. Much better. I do want to move my fridge, but that's another day, and it's on the list. The list is long. regarding the accident, it does turn out it's probably her fault. It actually is probably going to go in my favour. It might even be 50-50. But I know a lot of you have commented, and some of you from the footage from the last video, check it out if you want to, have said that it was her fault. Some people are saying it was my fault. Some people are saying it's 50-50. But at the end of the day, we've got to leave it up to the insurance company. I've put my report in. Obviously, she put her report in straight away, even though she did kind of admit liability anyway. But anyway, besides all that, it's done now. It doesn't matter either way. My insurance is going to go up, and her insurance is going to go up. It should have just been left. But in my opinion, I fixed my van myself. I haven't put a claim in for any work. And as far as Dinky Sinks and Things goes, it is rocking and all rolling. We've got a Facebook page now, dedicated Facebook page. We've got a website fully functional, fully running. All those problems have been ironed out, so that's up as well. Go check it out. And we've got an eBay page as well. So there's lots and lots of things going on there. There's loads and loads of sink designs, loads of really bespoke one-off, really cool ones actually. Some really good ones. And we've got some other things coming to the store too. Things like this really cool toilet roll holder that you can hang up. Really cool toilet roll holder, which you can also hang up. Handmade. Really cool plant hanger, which you can hang up. Handmade. And also this one. Handmade. You get the idea. Handmade storage solutions for your tiny home, van, man cave, office, whatever. Lots of stuff going on, lots of stuff coming very soon. So go check out the website if you please. www.dinkysinksandthings.com. Right, I'm going to love you and leave you. Glorious sunshine outside. We're getting like 500 plus watts of solar in. Lovely. It's another job on the list though, to upgrade the solar. Anyway, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe and all that stuff. And we'll see you in the next one. Here's the jingle.
We'll ride these roads forever, side by side we'll chase the sweetest moments whispered in our little space. With laughter and loving every turn we take, this van called Amazing Race, no chance we'll break.